Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Samsung Health app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on my page down here. So then you click here on my page, it's going to take us to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for us list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take us to this list here. Then you come here to detect workouts. So you click in this sign here. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean auto detect workouts. It's enabled with us now for notifications. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.